candid with you. Listen, this doesn't sound nuts. Why wasn't it nuts? Because back then they still thought they could hold on to both, the illegal vote and the working class. Instead, they forfeited the working class, and now they're all in on illegal immigration. Listen to this.
Broken borders. That's an oxymoron. Something we can't tolerate. Borders of other nature. Our definition as a nation and our protection as a country. Broken borders, they don't exist. We can't tolerate them. So let's say from the start that we all in this body, and I know I can speak very firmly for the Democrats, support strong border control. And it must be part, and the first part, of any comprehensive immigration reform. We have, it is our obligation as elected officials to keep the American people safe, and our borders are our first line of defense, one of our early lines of defense to do that.
So what changed? I just told you. They were given an electoral college, raw tactical politics, cutesy time is over choice. If you're going to go all in on communism and socialism and chaos, you're going to need illegals to buttress the population of liberal states these same people lead. But you can't have the working class at the same time. So there was a fork that developed in the road around the Tea Party, where the Democrats, as a contrast to the Tea Party, had to paint themselves as even more different and radical. And then when Trump said build the wall, forget it, they lost their mind. The shift began about 15 years ago, but really kind of grew geometrically with the build the wall chant in the Trump era, where the Democrats said, screw the middle class, we're all in on illegal. Here, Jim, I need you to play one more. The Obama one. Here's Obama in 2009. Again, sounding like a swampy Republican on immigration today. This is not an accident. Take a listen.
This is not going to be a free ride. It's not going to be some instant amnesty. What's going to happen is you are going to pay a significant fine. You are going to learn English. You are going to go to the back of the line so that you don't get ahead of somebody who is in Mexico City and walks freely. But after you've done these things over a certain period of time, you can earn your citizenship. So that it's not something that is guaranteed or automatic. You've got to earn it, but over time, you give people an opportunity. Now, it only works though if you do all the pieces. I think the American people, they appreciate and believe in immigration, but they can't have a situation where you just have 500,000 people pouring over the border without any kind of mechanism to control it.
Tell me that doesn't sound like a swampy dispatch online bulwark Republican now. They made a conscious decision, folks. The Democrat Party, they're not Democratic. The Democrat Party, this is not an accident, made a fully conscious decision to abandon you and the working class and turn their party over to a group of people here illegally. So much so they even talked about it in Time magazine. More on that coming up next.
PeopleLikeGovernment.com. Did you hear? A recent stash of $10 gold Liberty coins from the 1800s has been found. These gorgeous gold coins are as bright and shiny as the day they were struck in the late 1800s, and less than 50 of these gold coins are available. Coin experts are calling this gold find an incredible opportunity. Call 1-800-386-8018, and you are guaranteed a $10 gold Liberty coin minted by the U.S. Mint in the 1800s. But with extremely limited availability, you must call now. These gold Liberty coins from the 1800s are still in uncirculated condition. That is history you can hold in your hand. To learn more, call 1-800-386-8018. Call now, and you'll receive a free American Coin Collector's Bonus Package, a $40 value, free with every order. Call 1-800-386-8018 now to secure your $10 gold Liberty coins dated from the 1800s before they sell out. That's 1-800-386-8018.
Seattle. I'm 51 years old. 6 months ago, I started taking Andro 400 to increase my testosterone. Since then, I've lost 35 pounds of fat. My waist went from size 38 to size 32. I have more energy, and I look and feel 20 years younger. And now my wife tells me I have to take Andro 400.
Hi, this is Ron Johnson from Utah. After 10 weeks of taking Andro 400, I lost 13 pounds and my waist went from 36 to 33. That was 8 years ago. I continue to take Andro 400 and I've maintained my weight at 172. Gained muscle and energy. I'm 63 now and feel better than I had in 30 years.
Andro 400, the natural way to increase testosterone, lose belly fat, gain energy, and feel great. Try Andro 400, the safe, effective, affordable way to boost your testosterone. Go to andro400.com or call 888-400-0435. 888-400-0435.
A better life with Dr. Sanjay Gupta.
You know, here in the United States and all over the world, more and more people are being diagnosed with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. If that's you, or your spouse, or your son or daughter, you're going to want to hear about this new study out of Sweden, which found that people taking ADHD medications should closely monitor their heart health.